In this video, I will show you exactly what to do when Cash App says your bank declined this payment. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any steps. Sometimes this problem occurs when you're trying to add money to your Cash App account, or maybe when you're attempting to withdraw money from Cash App to your bank account, and suddenly the transaction gets declined. So why does this happen? There are a few possible reasons. The first thing to check is whether your correct bank account is properly linked to Cash App. To do this, tap the profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen, then go to the section labeled Linked Banks. From there, make sure your debit card is linked correctly. If you don't currently have a debit card connected, tap the No Card option, and then you'll be able to link your bank account directly from this page. Another common reason for declined payments is insufficient funds, so be sure that you have enough balance available both in your Cash App account and your connected bank account. If none of these solutions seem to work for you, then the best option is to reach out directly to Cash App's customer care. To contact them, tap the profile icon again from the top right-hand side of the screen. Once you're there, scroll all the way down until you find the support option. Tap on Support, and you'll be asked to confirm, then select the Chat option. From there, you can explain to them that your payments are being declined when trying to move money between your bank and Cash App, and they should be able to help you resolve the issue. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.